Hey troopers, what's up? It's me, Darren, and I'm out here in West Baton Rouge, and we are at the West Baton Rouge Museum. There's an art exhibit in here by George Rodrigue. He is a famous artist. You may know him for painting the iconic blue dog paintings. Well, he has a whole exhibit out here, and we're gonna go check it out. All right, troopers, well, this is Karen. She works at the West Baton Rouge Museum. So tell us about this exhibit out here.
We have a great exhibit. It's going to be here until October 28th, and we're really lucky to have the George Rodrigue exhibit. His wife, Wendy, brought this to us, so we're really lucky to have it. And she gave us a lot of information about some of the different paintings and his different styles. You can see the oil paintings from when he first began. George had lung problems because of all the, I guess, additives and all the fumes from the paint. So eventually he went to acrylic paint, and that's when Blue Dog popped up. And he had a lot of color with the acrylics. So you can see, like this painting here, this was one of his older ones. He's from Iberville, so he loves the big beautiful trees and the bayous. Is supposed to be the Loup-garou, Loup-garou. I can't say it.
And tell them what the Loup-garou is. I bet a lot of people don't know about that.
Well, he's a Cajun werewolf, and he's in the bayous, and children are afraid of him. And so that's what he's supposed to be. That's what he's supposed to represent. But he was looking at his own dog one day. He was a big dog fan, and he had a little dog, I guess, that looked like the blue dog. And he just decided to go for it and paint it. And he didn't know how popular he would be. His wife did tell us a really good story about when George was in 3rd grade, he got polio. And so he had to stay home in bed, and his mother didn't want him to be bored, so she bought him a paint-by-number kit.
Oh, wow.
And she said that he turned it over immediately and started drawing his own pictures.
Oh my gosh, so he was a natural-born artist.
So he did go to school at University of Lafayette, and then he went to a school in Los Angeles. I can't remember the name of that, but it was a very famous art school. And when he came back, he said that he realized how much he missed Louisiana and how different Louisiana is. And he's incorporated it into his paintings. So
these are more Rodrigues in this room, guys. This room is more well lit. What are these paintings consisting of?
These are, they call them the swamp dogs.
What does that mean?
They're made with a special, he made it on aluminum, and then there's a picture, and then there's painting. But he made these so these could be at like children's hospitals, and kids can actually touch them. There's a special coating on them.
So I can touch these?
Yes.
Oh, nice. I want to touch this one.
That was some...
Now, what is this coated with? It feels so smooth.
I'm not sure what it's coated with, but I know the back is aluminum, and then the logo.
They should make all paintings like that.
I know.
So we could touch them. Yeah, you want to touch them. Grab that blue dog. And there's 3 of them in that one. So that's awesome. Look at all these dogs in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue dogs in this one.
Yeah, this says that George combined print, photographs, and varnish on large sheets of aluminum.
That's cool.
And that's where the Loup-garou belongs, is in this one.
Yeah, he sure does. This one has green and blue dogs, but the green dogs look like a ghost because they are transparent almost, it looks like. So there we go.
Maybe they got into some moss.
Yeah, they got into some good moss. Oh, see, the children are going to love these because look at all those dogs on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A lot of blue dogs in that one. There's, yeah, a whole pack of them. And these are kind of shiny, at least they look that way in this light. That's pretty neat.
This was his wife, Wendy.
Okay, I know she does a lot of book signings and such.
She does a lot of children's events too, like where she teaches.
How old do you think she is? And how old was he? I know he was born in 1944. Does that ring a bell? And he passed away in 2013.
So she must be, I'm guessing, in her 60s too, or roughly. I don't know.
Well, she looks pretty good, doesn't she? Oh, that's good. That's good. Thanks.
She did get remarried, and she lives in Santa Fe now.
And these are more personal pictures of him and such.
Here's a marriage photo of them.
Oh, let's check that out.
Yeah.
That's the kind of stuff people. Oh, look, they're so young. I wonder what year they got married in.
Well, let's see.
Well, that is pretty nice. She wore glasses on her wedding day.
1997.
Yeah, well, that's good. 1997. Oh, look at them. They're a little older now. Still living large. And look how great she kept herself in shape, right? Good for her. This museum has actually grown a lot since I was a kid. I bet a lot of people don't know that. Do you guys have events here and such like that?
We have tons of events. We have Cajun music jam. We have a country western jam.
Wow.
Both on Sundays, the second and third Sunday of each month. We have Behind the Barn Doors, where you can learn different things about woodworking and blacksmithing, making butter.
And where do you guys have that event?
We have a barn. So
a barn? Wow, far out.
Of course, we have tours every single day. Well, I'm sorry, we are closed on Monday.
I know that. That's what the woman told me. That's usually my day off. That's why I came today, and I happened to get off today too, so I was able to. How can everyone find you guys? Which is the best way?
You can go to westbatonrougemuseum.com.
Okay, westbatonrougemuseum.com.
See what kind of exhibits we have going on.
Oh, there we go.
We have kids tours. We have all kinds of music. This is a great place. It's a really wonderful community center where everyone is welcome.
Oh, it's so good to know this place exists like this. That's awesome.
Definitely.